everybody. It's September 1st, 2019. I am back at the Plaza in Valencia at the farmer's market, and I think I have discovered the whereabouts of the mysterious vendor man. He's over here. He's over here. I see him this morning. Can't believe it. So this is the mysterious vendor man. I did a video about you a little bit because I was looking for you last Sunday and you weren't here.
I wasn't here. We ran out really early.
You ran out early? No,
Yeah,
I came at 6 a.m.
You were here at 6 a.m.
Or was that another? Are you thinking about the week before? Did you miss last week?
No.
Well, I came right here and nobody.
Oh, okay. We were late. I think we were late.
You were real? Oh, you might have been late.
Yeah.
Really?
7 o'clock, 7:30. I think we.
I don't know. I'll have to check. Anyway, can you make me some of these today?
Yeah.
Can you make 4?
Yeah, sure.
And can you put everything on it?
Sure.
You know how you put the extra stuff on?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll put extra for John.
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good. Now tell me again what's in here. A kind of pork shoulder, and what's the other thing?
Pork shoulder and pork tenderloin. Pork shoulder and pork tenderloin, and we put sesame seeds. We put
sesame
onions.
seeds and onions.
Yes. Put a lot more, like lemongrass.
A lemongrass. That's the trick. The lemongrass makes it taste really good.
Yummy.
Yeah, it's pretty yummy, huh?
Very yummy.
So I saw him. This guy here. He was. Him and I were coming down the road together. I think he was trying to beat me over here. He raced me over here for one of these. And this is your station where you make up everything, right?
Yeah.
All right. How good.
He's been here for weeks, and we always run out. Now he's.
Now, was he here last week or not?
I was here last week, but I was here at 10 o'clock and I came too late. Therefore, I came today early in the morning to get one.
Okay. Okay. Anyhow, yeah, this is the mysterious vendor man. And what's your name again?
Anis.
Anis. Okay. I like this. I'm glad you guys started doing this. I'll just maybe hang around, or maybe 5 minutes. 15
minutes. Yes.
Oh, you're not going to forget me, are you?
A bit of a wait.
Okay. 15 minutes. Sounds good. All right. Thank you.
Thanks, John.
Where you back?
15 minutes. Okay, I will back. I'll be back again.
Here, mushroom. Thank you.
Is that vendor man? Vendor.
Yeah. We're celebrating Labor Day in America now and in Canada. This is the big Labor Day weekend in America, and Canada, I think too.
Lima? Okay. Hindi ko
What is that? Is that liver? Little liver pate goes in here too. And you got, can I do this? Some cilantro, a little bit of onion and carrot, a little, just like hot sauce, some mayonnaise, and a little pepper. Looks like pepper. Is that pepper?
Yes.
And what's that? A little bit of soy sauce? Soy sauce? Okay. Oh, you put a little pepper in first, huh? Good. And afterwards you toast the bun up, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. That's what makes it really nice. Nice toasted bun.
Be crispy.
Shirley? Thomas? Wala pa. Si Thomas, double meat pala.
Andun.
Meron pa dyan? Double meat.
Okay.
Meron pa pang karne dyan?
Wala na lang. Luluto ako.
Sige.
Wala pakilabas.
Ayan. Thank you, sir.
Pili ko pa.
Ang usa, 10. Si ayan. Si John. Si John? John?
I have 4. I have 4. Yeah. Make sure you got everything extra. Yeah.
Can you do this? Extra everything.
Yeah. How much is that one? 280?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Stella. Si John.
I like it.
Shirley Dalaw. How about chili?
Did you already put some on?
Yeah.
You did a little bit? That's probably enough. No more of those. Just get the cilantro mostly. Cilantro. And then maybe the liver pate. Maybe we'll do a little bit of that liver pate extra. Maybe a little bit extra. Just a little bit.
Ano yung isa? Ng dalawang barbecue. Or kasama to dun sa apa?
Para kay Thomas?
Okay, Thomas tsaka kay Sir Arjan.
Okay.
Dalawa.
Tawal na.
Okay.
Thomas, babalik mo ulit.
Okay. Ang kaso, you can wait. Wait lang. Dagan na lang.
Sagada is Baguio, like
Tanggalin na lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ang sa to, sir? Ilipat mo yung sa kabila. Ito. Kanina.
280? Okay.
Good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you guys. All right, you gonna be here next week?
Yes.
You think so?
Yes.
All right, I'm coming back. All right, buddy.
See you. Have a great day.
All right, you too. Okay, so we got it. I found that mysterious vendor man, and we're good to go. He says he's gonna be here next weekend. Hey, sorry about that. Just about stepped on a little pooch behind me. Man, this place is way busier than it was last time I was here. I swear, it's the first of the month. I think that's the reason.
buddy?
I'm good. Doing good. Look
good.
at you, little princess.
Yeah, she's all walking and running now, you know?
Beautiful.
How about that?
How are you? You walking around now?
She is.
Yeah.
Little Belle, yeah.
Yeah, Tony owns a store over there across from Terra Alta.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing your videos.
I'm doing
now.
my video.
Awesome,
Well, we're
awesome.
keeping it up.
I was watching the videos last night.
Were you really?
I saw the one about the globe. And
Oh, globe, yeah.
As soon as I saw the title, I said, he didn't cut his data off. And my wife's been telling me for 4 years.
You got to turn it off.
Yeah, I'll say, hey, I need a load, and you know, we got the store or whatever. So she'll say, okay, cut your data off. She's been telling me.
Wow, nobody ever told me.
Before I.
That's the trick with globe,
For 4 years now. Before I get a load, always flip your data off.
Yeah.
Get the load, then do the promo.
Yeah,
Then
yeah,
turn it back
that's what you
on.
gotta do.
Yeah, because if you don't put the promo, you know what happens is what eats it up.
That's good advice for people watching this one.
Every time
you know, just turn
connect,
that off.
If you leave your data on, your phone goes off. It's not doing any connection. But if it moves, or if you move your phone or something, it comes on and connects to the internet.
Oh,
They
just
charge you
moving the
5
phone.
pesos.
Just moving the phone.
Well, when
not
you,
even
when you
turning it
connect,
on, though.
when it comes on, it connects. It automatically starts connecting if your data is on. If it is, it
data
charges
was
you
on.
5 pesos just to connect. To the internet.
My
So-
data, the data was on,
Okay.
but I swear it was like I had it off for a couple of days. I kept getting these beams. I wasn't even doing anything. So
If your
somehow
data-
it's getting.
If your data is on, it's definitely gonna eat your load up because it'll sit there. and
It'll
connect
find a
the
way to eat
internet,
it.
and it'll
But don't you
unconnect,
think
it'll
that's a
connect.
little trickery? Because I don't remember that shit happening to me in the States. Yeah, it doesn't happen with
I
smart.
don't know. I've never used them. Globe has always been the most dependable for me.
Yeah.
And,
Well, I know the trick now, so.
that's the deal. Just
Yeah.
once you get a notice saying, because what's going to happen is you'll do the promo, and then when it runs out, you'll get that notice that'll say, hey,
Yeah.
you just connected to the internet.
Yeah, and I
that
think
means your promo's gone. Turn your data off and get another load. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? That's
Okay.
what
Well, I live and learn. It cost me about 400. They did give me back They give me back 98,
I saw
98
that.
pesos.
I saw that, yeah.
But I still think it's a form of trickery.
You know,
It's
I used to
bullshit.
get so mad.
Well, I'm not mad, though.
Right. I used to get, well, you know, I'd get mad because I'd say, this is a trick. I'm getting ripped. I'm not using it, and they're still taking my money.
Yeah,
I'd
didn't
say
get
that
anything.
every time, but I mean, I get here this 4 years later, and, you know, I turn it off. And, you know,
Well, we learn. We learn.
as soon as I get that little notice says you connect to the internet, I know my promo's gone. I switch my data off at that point.
And probably when you got that notice, you got a ding for 5.
No, of course.
See, I must have got a ding for an awful lot of 5s because it was like
It's
300.
always under 8080 in the text.
Yeah,
In your
yeah,
text.
8080.
8080. It'll say, hey.
Hey man, live and learn. I learned the hard way. Only
to
cost
see
me
you.
about $8.
Good to see you, man. I was hoping I'd see you out here today. Yeah.
I'm gonna get some onions here. Hey, how's the onions today?
What onion?
Not those, these guys.
130 for you.
130, I'll take it. How about a kilo? Let's see. Let's see how many. Let me see a pretty one. Okay. Oh my God, it's hot. Hold on, darling. There we go. Try that one. How come you guys get the good ones? These are nice. These are nice ones. Okay. Where do you get these from?
Manila.
Oh, they come from Manila too, huh? Okay. Is that a kilo?
106.
Need a little more. But just give me just 4, okay?
Okay. 140.
Okay. Okay, good deal. We'll do it that way. I'll be back later. Okay. Salamat. Right.
See you later, buddy.
Okay, thank
you know,
you.
those are sweet onions.
Yeah, they're
You
the
know
sweet
what?
ones from the States.
When I grew up in Georgia,
Well, they're from Manila.
when I
Not the
grew up
States.
in Georgia, we had ones called Vidalia onions.
Yeah.
And they only grew in Vidalia, Georgia because of the soil. You can only really grow them there and they would come out right. They're the same kind, sweet, just
They're
like
nu-
that.
they're good.
Just like that.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, a lot of the things here I see remind me of the South where I grew up. And I believe it's because of the climate.
Yeah,
you know,
'cause the same
6 or
kinda
7 months out of the year, you get that
sweaty
same
climate.
Sweaty, hot climate, you know.
Yeah.
So, like even with the vinegar and the pork and stuff like that, you know,
Yeah.
you get a lot of that same, you know, and a lot of the same fruits and vegetables, you know. So-
Yeah.
But those I love. You did a good job there
Yeah,
getting those.
I'm going to be back get some of those nice looking garlic
Well,
too.
yeah, if you're getting those,
They're bigger and nice.
You know what to get. That's one of the. I think
I'm
it's
not
one of
that smart, but I know some things I like.
That's one of the specialties out here. I think. Yeah,
Yeah,
the
okay.
sweet onion.
All right, dude. See you later.
Okay, man.
Take
See you
care.
later, John.
Okay. It's a beautiful day in the market today. Wow, a lot of good stuff. I've got to bring back a container also to get some coconut water. I'm gonna fill up a pitcher from my container. Coconut water a little bit. I'm gonna have to get a couple of those coconuts, 2 or 3.
Tulog ka mo?
Oh. Kana. Oh.
All right, I gotta get busy. Suzuki.